Very good afternoon. Welcome to today in Rajya Sabha with me, Aishwarya Kapoor. Now, Rajya Sabha on the first day of the monsoon session will convene in an hour's time and it will elect its deputy chairman. All the details on today's agenda coming up ahead. Let us start with the headlines first. Rajya Sabha to convene at 3 p.m. amid unprecedented safety measures against novel coronavirus. 4-hour sitting to continue till 7 p.m. Upper House to elect its deputy chairman today. NDA nominee Harivansh to contest against UPA candidate Manoj Jha for the post. Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu to administer oath and affirmation to new members. Upper House to condole passing away of former President Pranab Mukherjee and sitting and former MPs. And in legislative work listed today for the Rajya Sabha, 4 new bills including Epidemic Disease Amendment Bill 2020. Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan likely to make a statement on the steps taken to control novel coronavirus pandemic. In his customary remarks delivered before the start of the Parliament session, Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed hope that all MPs will give an unequivocal message that the country stands with our soldiers. Now, sending a message on China dispute at the border, the Prime Minister appealed to all MPs to speak in one voice for Indian soldiers. Chinese aggression since May at the LAC and the government's response are expected to be raised in the 18-day monsoon session of Parliament. And noting that the session is the first to be held since the coronavirus outbreak gripped the world, the Prime Minister said that till a vaccine is found, we cannot drop our guard. Let's take a listen.
कोरोना भी है, कर्तव्य भी है और सभी सांसदों ने कर्तव्य का रास्ता चुना है। इस सत्र में कई महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय होंगे, अनेक विषयों पर चर्चा होगी और हम सबका अनुभव है कि लोकसभा में जितनी ज्यादा चर्चा होती है, जितनी गहन चर्चा होती है, जितनी विविधताओं से भरी चर्चा होती है, उतना सदन को भी, विषय वस्तु को भी और देश को भी बहुत लाभ होता है। सेना के जवानों के पीछे देश खड़ा है। संसद और सांसद सदस्यों के माध्यम से खड़ा है। पूरा सदन एक स्वर से देश के वीर जवानों के पीछे खड़ा है। ये बहुत ही मजबूत संदेश भी ये सदन देगा, सभी माननीय सदस्य देंगे।
And now a look at the legislative business in the upper house. Home Minister Amit Shah will move the salaries and allowances of Ministers Amendment Bill 2020 for introduction. He will also lay on the table a statement explaining the circumstances that had necessitated the immediate legislation by the Salaries and Allowances of Ministers Amendment Ordinance 2020. Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan will move the Epidemic Diseases Amendment Bill 2020 for introduction and lay on the table a statement explaining the circumstances which necessitated the immediate legislation by the Epidemic Diseases Amendment Ordinance 2020. Ayush Minister Shripad Yesso Naik will move the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2020 and the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Bill 2020 for introduction. Yesso Naik will also move the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda Bill 2020 for consideration and passing. He will also lay on the table statements explaining the circumstances that had necessitated the immediate legislation by these two bills. Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri will move the Aircraft Amendment Bill 2020 for consideration and passing. And on the first day of the monsoon session of Parliament, the Rajya Sabha will elect its deputy chairman. NDA's Harivansh Narayan Singh and RJD's Manoj Jha are contesting for the post. The motion in this regard will be moved by BJP MP Jagat Prakash Nadda, and the leader of the opposition in the upper house, Ghulam Nabi Azad, will move the motion for opposition candidate Manoj Jha. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi will move the motion on the curtailment of question hour due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Kriti Mishra, our colleague, is now joining us live from the national capital for more details. Kriti, very good afternoon. So the monsoon session of Parliament began in Lok Sabha this morning, and the Rajya Sabha is slated to sit from 3 p.m. on the first day today, and thereafter from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And Rajya Sabha will also elect its deputy chairman today. So what else is slated for the Rajya Sabha on the first day of the session today?
Well, Aishwarya, very good afternoon. As you know, that members or newly elected or re-elected members who have not subscribed oath or affirmation will do so today. Remember, under Article 99 of Constitution, unless a member subscribes to oath or affirmation, he cannot participate in the proceedings of the House. So members would be called in state-wise alphabetically. They have also been requested to bring their own pens to sign the rolls of the members in order to contain the infection of COVID-19. And also members can subscribe oath or affirmation in 22 languages mentioned in 8th schedule, or even in English. Remember, earlier on 22nd July, 45 members had subscribed to oath or affirmation. So this is a very important agenda in today's list of business in Rajya Sabha. Thereafter, the government will also bring in a motion in order to contain the COVID-19 pandemic and not to take up question hour and private members' business. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will also lay a statement on the table showing the demands for grants for the year 2020-21. There's also a very heavy legislative agenda, including important bills like the salaries and allowances of the Ministers Amendment Bill, the Epidemic Disease Amendment Bill, and also the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill, and also the Aircraft Amendment Bill. So important agenda, and also obituary references would be made to former President of India Pranab Mukherjee and sitting members of the Rajya Sabha, Amar Singh, MP Virendra Kumar, and also Beni Prasad Verma, along with former members of the Rajya Sabha. Over to you, Aishwarya.
Right, and Kriti, we saw Lok Sabha convening today with many firsts. Of course, entry only to those having a negative COVID-19 report, also compulsory wearing of masks. And what more can you tell us about the preparations for the Rajya Sabha that convenes in now less than an hour from now?
Well, Aishwarya, I can say this, that since the history of Indian Parliament since 1952, several firsts would be witnessed this time around in the 252nd session of the Rajya Sabha. Remember, there were a plethora of meetings, brainstorming sessions, and the entire exercise was very meticulously planned. So for the first time, the members of the upper house would be sitting in multiple locations, including 57 members in the chamber of the Rajya Sabha, around 51 members in the galleries of the Rajya Sabha, and around 136 members in the chamber of the Lok Sabha. Now, there would be consoles for them in order to ensure that they have participation in the proceedings of the House. There would be polycarbonate sheets. There would be regular sanitization of the entire complex. Members would compulsorily, and the staff members would be wearing masks. And also the fact that they have to furnish, whether the members of Parliament of the upper house or the staff members will have to furnish negative COVID report. Remember, the Secretariat had organized this exercise very meticulously, ensuring RT-PCR test of all the staff members as well as members of Parliament. So those are the important details as far as the 252nd session of the Rajya Sabha will commence today. And also, Aishwarya, get ready to witness this historic session of Parliament. Over to you.
Absolutely. So, huge legislative agenda and key legislative business in the upper house today. Rajya Sabha will also elect its deputy chairman today. Of course, NDA's Harivansh and RJD's Manoj Jha in the fray, and voting may take place if required. Thank you so much, Kriti, for all those updates there. We'll keep coming back to you in the subsequent bulletins for more on the Rajya Sabha session. And Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will lay on the table a statement showing the supplementary demands for grants 2020-2021. Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan will make a statement regarding the COVID-19 pandemic situation and the steps taken by the government. Secretary General Desh Deepak Verma will lay on the table a statement showing the bills passed by the Parliament during the 251st session of the Rajya Sabha and assented to by the President. And Minister V. Muralidharan will lay papers on the table entered in the separate list for Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. And the House will also condole the passing away of former President Pranab Mukherjee and 18 sitting and former MPs. And with that, we wrap up this edition of Today in Rajya Sabha. Thanks so much for watching.